By sharing your location on your iPhone with somebody else, you're essentially giving them an open book of everywhere that you go every day and all day. But sometimes we don't want people to know where we're going. Maybe you're buying a secret gift for your spouse and you don't want them to know when you're going to that store and which store you're going. There are things that we can do to prevent people from seeing your location, but I'm going to walk you through some common mistakes people make because a lot of times they'll just toggle airplane mode on or do other options when there are better options to be able to do that. I'll walk you through everything. Now, if I open up the Find My app on my iPhone, you'll be able to see it says, all right, people here. I'm sharing my location with 3 different people, and they can see my location no matter what, all the time, indefinitely. Let's say I wanted to buy my spouse a present, or I just didn't want them to track me for a little bit. If you swipe down from the top right and turn on airplane mode, this will do the job. It will prevent them from being able to see where you're going. But there are some downsides to this. Of course, you can't use your cell data anymore. You can't make or receive text messages or calls. And on their Find My app, it will send last known location, indicating that you have essentially turned off this feature or that it can't track your location anymore. So instead of doing that, you have a couple options. One option is to tap on the Settings app of your iPhone. And now from here, scroll down, tap on Privacy and Security, and tap on Location Services at the top. If you tap on Share My Location, you can see Find My iPhone is turned on. One option is to tap on it and turn off Find My Location. This does a couple of things. This, of course, disables the Find My Location. They won't be able to track where you are. But keep in mind, again, they might see on there that you have disabled the Find My Location feature, and essentially they might think something's up or know that you are not sharing your location anymore. So that's another option, but there is a third option that's even a bit better. So let's hop out of here and hit cancel instead. And instead of that, if I open up the Find My app again, and I tap on Me at the bottom right, you'll be able to see it says, all right, here's my home address and my location. Share My Location is on, and it's sharing from this iPhone. Now, if you do want to basically prevent somebody from seeing your current location, you can, of course, disable it through airplane mode or turning off the location services. But a better option is if you have another iPhone, another iPad, or a Mac computer, you can always turn on location services and the Find My app on that device. And instead of sharing from this iPhone, essentially you're going to go on that other device as long as it's logged into the same Apple account. And you're going to turn on location sharing from that device. Now, whenever you're ready again, you can always go back in here and switch it to sharing from this iPhone and turn on the Share My Location. And then essentially they will have just tracked the other device, whether it stayed at home or work or wherever. And then you can always enable it again down the road. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.